This is a 1976 Yamaha Fs1-E, or Fizzy as they are affectionately known. These iconic sports mopeds represent a generation's first taste of motorised freedom, and as such are adored by many for the memories they bring. Many people say how much they regret selling theirs. Well, now you can own one again, and a stunning example at that. In 1977, moped speed restrictions were applied. This bike, being a 1976 model, isn't restricted, which makes it highly sought after. The 49cc two-stroke engine is capable of a top speed of 45 miles an hour. The restricted versions were only capable of 30. Come and see this little legend of the road here at Frank's Motorcycles in Colchester, or visit our website at www.franksmotorcycles.co.uk.